Hello and welcome to another creative keepsake. Today I want to show you my second ever pencil drawing. Remember a couple of videos ago I showed you the first one. And don't worry, if you haven't seen it, I will put a link for you in the description. So this is another creation I did in my art class when my students were doing their own projects. We always did that, by the way. I don't believe that you have to do something that I am doing in order to learn how to take the best from inside you and use it. You can tap into your gift by being in that atmosphere. And my job as an art teacher at that time was to create the atmosphere where everyone felt they are an artist, and they did. They were never holding back of trying something. And guess what? In that willingness and openness to try, even when they said, I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I'm excited to try. When they tried, they surprised themselves every single time. I promise you that. Because it turns out so much better than you can ever imagine. Art is a beautiful way to connect with your deepest purpose. That is why today I'm encouraging you to take a look at the subject that is interesting to you. To me, that has always been flowers. Floral themes have always been part of my artwork, and I love looking at plants and flowers, as you can see them even here. I love observing them. I love what they have to offer. I love the textures. I love the shades. Because even though every petal is the same color, if you pull it apart and look at it in the same lighting, every petal is the same. But how they come together and what shape they make and how they create these shades and shapes. These roses were dark red, by the way. And I loved seeing the light and shade inside them. So all I did was just follow what my eyes see. That's it. I didn't think. Because if you start thinking, oh, this is a rose, this is a petal, this is where the leaf goes, that is where you go astray. So I would encourage you to take a pencil and draw whatever is in front of you. It can be a teacup, it can be, a teapot, a glass, a picture frame, a lamp, a plant, anything. A person, a pet, really. Anything that is near you, have a look and relate it to the light and shade. Observe first before you start drawing. And then start. Promise me you will. Write yes in the comments if you are going to have a go. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video and that you will join me tomorrow for more.